Galing nyo, galing.
Parang bagong renovation na ulit ng Onyx. Ano sasabi mo with this lineup? Napalit na nga ba ang consumer ng NXT?
Masaya siyempre, win streak, tsaka ano, confident kami ngayong season.
Confident, very, very confident. Bakit ka shake ng head?
Parang hindi confident magsalita eh.
At least that's what people say.
Ano palag mo? Ano palag mo sa TOH? Wala? Okay, okay.
But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music.
Once you skip, it becomes a habit. Oh.
Bukan kafe saingan, jadi sekarang gak usah ngana sole bega gak punya. Jadi terserah kita tetap boleh deh karena